ain't trying to listen to this video. I am just actually trying to make my bouquet for the wedding, which is in 4 days. In front of me I have all the things that you guys just saw. I have my eucalyptus, my seeded eucalyptus, and then the silver dollar ones. They're so pretty. And then I have my Ling's Moments floral. If you guys don't know what this is a company that provides fake florals, but they look so real. They're absolutely stunning. They have almost every color combination you could want. So definitely check them out if you guys are interested in doing your own DIY bouquet like I can. These are perfect, they're stunning, they're affordable. So that's what I'm going to be using to try to create my bouquet. Because my wedding, I don't necessarily want flowers everywhere. Florals can be very expensive. So I definitely don't care that I don't have flowers like for decoration. I only have them for my bouquet. Everything else will be eucalyptus, which I have so much from. And I got all of the greenery from Sam's Club online because it was the cheapest I can find it. If you don't have a Sam's membership, you can definitely find out really great deals online as well for wholesale florals and things like that, which was my second choice if it didn't work out with Sam's. So let's get started. I am going to start like picking out which florals I want for my bouquet and then placing them with the greenery. I'm really excited about this part. I've actually had my floral forever and I haven't touched it because I didn't want it to get messed up or anything. So now I finally get to unbox it. The box comes like, you know how it look flat, but they all have stems, so that's really cool. So you can like start kind of like placing them together. Roses. The color scheme that I got is so pretty. It's like mauve-y, dusty rose, blush. So pretty. And I got my inspiration with like kind of how I want my bouquet to look from Pinterest. Alright, so I got a good amount of flowers that I kind of like want to use. I'll put kind of like my inspiration up here so you know and see that I'm kind of going more for more of a greenery type of bouquet. And then I just start kind of like placing them side by side and start building like kind of like what you want it to look like. Another floral. Wow, look how pretty it looks already. So pretty. And just kind of like start wrapping it up with greenery. Kind of like really pretty. So this is kind of like an idea of what I want it to look like. What I'm going to do now is just clean it up a little so it kind of just has more of a form. Then I'm going to use floral tape and wrap it all around, and I will show you from there on the other view.